So this exciting study took bio-based materials, this material that's made from a fermentation process of these little microorganisms, plus a natural rubber. When they blend them together under the right conditions with the right additives that are all bio-based and are all biodegradable. We can then put them in food packaging like trays, like TV dinner trays, where you heat up in the microwave, and you can make it into the film that covers it, or the little bags that you buy in the store. So then now you can buy the whole packaging system can be put in compostable conditions, and the entire thing will biodegrade under the right conditions. So I love my job, and my job is to bring people together under the science umbrella. So I love bringing people to the table with different perspectives and all coming together under the umbrella of a project. What was very surprising is how much the public cares about this particular issue of plastic replacements in the right way. And for example, there was a high school student in Connecticut that contacted me and said, I read your story and I was very excited to do something about it. So I got a group of my friends to try and raise some money for you for your research. And I was, it was just so surprising and so amazing that somebody in Connecticut, a little high school student, is trying to do something for our project. Hi, my name is Yael Vodovitz. I'm a professor in food science and technology here at Ohio State University. Please vote for my project, our team's project of bioplastics as replacements for traditional plastics, as the coolest story of the year.